Welcome to our channel where today we'll guide you through the seamless process of activating a new T-Mobile or AT&T SIM card. Welcome to our channel where today we'll guide you through the seamless process of activating a new T-Mobile or AT&T SIM card. Whether you're switching providers or starting fresh with a new phone, activating your SIM is the essential first step to getting connected quickly and without hassle. First, before anything, make sure your phone is compatible with the carrier and is unlocked if switching from another provider. Also, have your new SIM card and account information handy. Step 1. Insert your new SIM card. Power off your phone, locate the SIM tray, usually on the side or under the battery compartment, and carefully place your SIM card into the tray. Close the tray securely and power your phone back on. Step 2. Connect to a Wi-Fi network, as this will allow your phone to communicate with the carrier's activation servers smoothly. Step 3. For T-Mobile, visit their official activation website or download their app. You'll need to enter the SIM card number, ICSID, found on the card or packaging, along with your account details. Follow the prompts to activate, which typically takes just a few minutes. If you're activating AT&T, the process is similar. Go to the AT&T activation webpage or use their mobile app, input your SIM details and account info, then follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Once you submit your activation request, your phone may restart or display a message that activation is complete. You should also receive a confirmation email or text from the carrier. Step 5. Test your connection by making a call, sending a text, or accessing the internet to ensure everything is working perfectly. If you run into any trouble, both carriers have customer service lines and chat support ready to assist you with any issues during activation. Remember to keep your account information safe throughout the process, and double-check all entered details to avoid activation delays. Activating a new SIM card can seem daunting, but following these clear steps ensures you'll be up and running with T-Mobile or AT&T in no time. Thanks for watching and supporting our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more helpful tech tips and guides.